Ever been in that frustrating situation? You try to book an appointment only to find everything completely full. Your desired time slot, gone. Your preferred service provider, booked solid for weeks. And you're left wondering, is there any way to get in without constantly checking back? Is there a magical solution that lets businesses capture that missed demand and allows customers to snag a spot if one opens up? Specifically, when it comes to online appointment scheduling, does Setmore have a waitlist feature? It's a question that plagues both businesses striving for full utilization and customers desperate to get a slot. The traditional method of simply turning people away when fully booked means lost revenue, frustrated clients, and a missed opportunity to fill cancellations. Imagine a hair salon on a busy Saturday, or a popular massage therapist, or even a tutoring service during exam season. If they're fully booked, the customer simply moves on. But what if someone cancels last minute? That slot goes empty, and both the business and a waiting customer lose out. This isn't just about convenience. It's about efficiency, customer satisfaction, and maximizing your business potential. The demand for a waitlist feature in appointment scheduling software is undeniable. It's a tool that bridges the gap between full capacity and potential availability. It allows businesses to maintain a list of interested clients, even when their schedule is completely packed. For the customer, it offers hope and a proactive way to get an appointment, rather than endlessly refreshing a booking page. Think about it. Instead of a "sorry, we're full" message, imagine being able to say, "No worries, we can add you to our waitlist and let you know if anything opens up." This transforms a negative customer experience into a positive one, demonstrating that you value their business and are doing everything you can to accommodate them. So, let's get down to the core of it. Does Setmore, a widely used online appointment scheduling software, offer a waitlist feature? The short answer, and what many Setmore users and potential users want to hear, is yes, with some important nuances and approaches. Setmore itself has direct capabilities, and for those looking for more advanced or integrated solutions, there are powerful ways to achieve a robust waitlist system. First, let's talk about Setmore's built-in functionalities. While Setmore might not have a prominently advertised, one-click waitlist button that automatically manages everything from soup to nuts, it offers features that can be leveraged to create an effective waitlist system. One key aspect is the ability to easily manage your schedule and customer information. You can, for instance, manually create a waitlist service or even add notes to customer profiles indicating their desire for a specific time or service if it becomes available. This requires a bit more manual oversight, but it's a perfectly viable solution for businesses with lower waitlist volumes or those who prefer a hands-on approach. More importantly, Setmore integrates with other powerful platforms like Zapier. This is where the true power of a comprehensive waitlist system comes into play. Zapier is an automation tool that connects different web applications, allowing them to talk to each other. Through Zapier, you can integrate Setmore with dedicated waitlist management tools such as Waitlist or Waitwhile. Here's how this integration typically works. When a customer tries to book an appointment in Setmore and finds no availability, they can be redirected to a separate waitlist form powered by a tool like Waitlist or Waitwhile. This form collects their contact information, preferred service, desired time, and any other relevant details. Once they submit this, Zapier acts as the bridge. It can be configured to automatically create a new sign-up event in the waitlist application. Now, imagine an appointment in Setmore gets canceled. This is where the magic happens. Zapier can detect this cancellation in Setmore, a trigger event. This trigger then initiates an action in the waitlist application. For example, it could flag potential matches on your waitlist. Conversely, if you have an open slot, you can manually select a client from your waitlist tool, and Zapier can then be used to automatically create an appointment for them in Setmore, pre-filling their details and the service information. This significantly reduces manual data entry and speeds up the process of filling those valuable open slots. This integration offers several benefits. It automates much of the waitlist management process, freeing up your time. It ensures that no potential customer is lost, even when your schedule is full. It provides a more professional and streamlined experience for your clients, demonstrating your commitment to accommodating their needs. Furthermore, Dedicated waitlist tools often come with advanced features like automated notifications, SMS or email, to alert waitlisted customers when a spot opens up, or even the ability for customers to check their position in the queue. This takes the burden off your staff and empowers your clients. Beyond direct waitlist tools, Setmore's flexibility allows for other creative solutions. For example, if you offer classes or group events, Setmore has a class booking feature that can manage registrations and capacity. While not a waitlist in the traditional sense for one-on-one appointments, it does allow you to control the number of participants and effectively manage demand for group offerings. Another useful feature within Setmore is Advance to First Available Appointment. While this doesn't create a waitlist, it can help manage customer expectations by automatically redirecting them to the next available slot if their preferred time is booked. This ensures they don't have to scroll endlessly through unavailable dates. So, while Setmore might not have a single, all-encompassing waitlist button built directly into its interface that does everything, it's clear that you absolutely can implement a robust waitlist system. Whether through leveraging its existing features with some manual management, or by harnessing the power of integrations with dedicated waitlist applications via Zapier, Setmore provides the foundation for you to effectively capture and manage client demand, even when you're fully booked. This proactive approach not only improves your operational efficiency, but also significantly enhances the customer experience, turning potential disappointment into delighted clients. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.